Alright guys, well I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the TV here and watch a little bit of Price is Right. And we get started with the shark left away. Guys, as you can tell, it's a rainy day outside, so it's all ice and outside, all kinds of nasty stuff. You guys, I just want to say thank you to all 409 of you guys who have currently subscribed to my channel. And if there's any ladies who would like to join and subscribe, women are welcome to join my channel. I highly encourage you females who want to watch about vacuums and indoor house stuff and how to, whatever I might recommend for vacuums and all that. If you're looking for a channel, ladies, that's gonna give you an idea of what's gonna be a good vacuum for your house and how to, clean the filters and all that, I'd be more than happy to show you guys. It's not a problem at all. Don't mind the background. I'm just watching some Drew Carey on the prices right here. Alright guys, what I'm going to probably wind up doing here with the shark lift away, because the cord seems to be awfully short. I think I'm going to actually add an extension to it because it's pretty short, guys. So let me go ahead here and dig out an extension. I actually have an extension for it, so let me go ahead and grab it. Because guys, I know where we're falling short. I know where we're falling short at is there's no extension cord. So let me grab the extension cord from the files here, guys. Give me 1 minute here to get it out. There we go. And guys, I'm not making a joke out of it. I'm just saying we are falling short, because when I get into the kitchen, I literally have to go unplug and replug. So I'm gonna say this is probably no more than a 25-foot cord, maybe. And guys, you are going to be seeing the multi-surface today too. Guys, however, this vacuum right here is pretty nice. I do like a lot of the features it has on it. Give me a minute so I can turn you guys facing me for fold this sheet over here so I can get this put away. Let me go ahead here and pull this nice blanket up so it doesn't get all mounted up here on the couch. I'm going to try to fold it up, guys. Give me like 1 sec. Give me like 1 minute here, guys. Nine, please. Yes! Just so I can get it put away so it's not going to get all nasty from being on the couch and on the floor. Give me 1 second so I can get this all. Let me get this thing put away so it's not going to. Zero. Salt here. Alright. Well, you got a nice new dash cam, so that's something. 6 and a 2. Alright, so dash cam's nice. Yeah, you get to spin the wheel. And we got more pricing games coming up in the second half of the show. Don't go away. Take a journey through the magical stories of Frozen 2. Alright, guys. Well, I think I found a good adequate spot for right now. I didn't want to knock it over, guys, when I plugged in the I didn't want to knock it over when I extension cord for the vacuum. So guys, overall here, this is a pretty nice little unit. Like I said, guys, it just lacks cord for some reason. If I plug this in behind the couch, I go stretch across this. This is literally no joke. I stretch across this little piece over here, guys, into the kitchen. I literally fall short on cord, so I'm going to do this. This is probably about a 5-foot cord long. So it's probably going to be about 5 foot longer than what I had, which I would like. They have a little bit more length anyways for my cord. So I guess let me go ahead here. I will put the blanket back on the couch flat when I get. God bless it. You know, in case. Give me a minute. Alright, guys. Here we go. I'd say it's closer to, I don't know how many feet are on the cord. Doesn't really tell me on this label, I don't believe. Let me see here. Right, no more than 5 foot if that, for lucky. I'm gonna say less than maybe, probably, guys. Let's see here. Give me a minute, guys. So I can plug this thing in here. It's probably less than 5 foot, I'll say that much. Probably under 5 foot. So it's probably just gonna be just enough to reach out to some parts of the house here.
Thank you. Vanessa. $1,500.
Alright, guys. We're gonna start vacuuming like right now, but first I'm gonna empty out the bin. Because guys, one thing about these new Shark liftaways when they're brand new, it's literally like no joke, is hair. See, hair right here on the side, it's all statically stuck to the plastic and doesn't want to come off. So I have to like tap on it a little bit, kind of like get it out. But guys, this is how well this vacuum cleans out the hair. Let me see if I can actually, hang on 1 minute. Let's let the hair, let me see if I can get the hair out a different way. I don't know if this piece pops up or not. Let me see. I think it might. Oh yeah, it lifts up. Here we go. Guys, you know what the culprit was? That little wrapper. Kind of bizarre, right? I would say yes. But guys, one of the things I really like about this Shark, la702, it actually picks up the hair. You're not stuck with the ugly, nasty. You're not stuck with the ugly, nasty part of. What do I do with all this? You know, hang on 1 second. Let me put you back my way. It's already taking long enough for the video. Let me go ahead and pop this dirt bin open here. All right, guys. Hang on 1 second, guys. Just gotta get this lid to close, and I'm good. Then we can start the video off, right? Okay, guys. Now we can finally start. This is recycling. It has to go out the door anyway, so I'm gonna have to bring this out to the dumpster. So let me move this out of the way. It's not gonna be in the way anyways. All right, guys. What I really like about this Shark la702, it actually really does a good job with getting the hair off the floor, guys. I've had zero issues with the unit at all. I'm extremely happy with it. One thing I say needs a bit of work here, guys, is the brush wheel. You gotta break it in. You gotta work on getting it to come down a little bit better, too. You have to start, you see, the more you use it, so that's better. Alright, guys, let me go ahead and turn on the unit. Here you go. Alright, guys, here you go. Guys, one thing I really like about the unit is the action speed is really good. Also, I think this is the I think this is the left-away portion. Let's see. I think this is the left-away. I'm thinking. So that's for the line to come out. So I don't know how you use the left-away portion of the base of the unit, but no big fuss. Like I said, you guys who do carry, actually, the Planko game is one of my favorite games I like to watch on the Price is Right. Guys, if any of you guys know how, this little piece comes out, use this base for the vacuum, I would gladly like to use this little piece right here for the portion of the vacuum to be able to vacuum up the floor. So that comes there. Let's see, hang on 1 second. Let's see if this is even. the case of the unit here. Guys, one thing I think I will be liking a lot about the unit is this. Right here I can actually take it and hang on a second, I'm getting bored. Hang on a minute, guys. I apologize. Hold on a minute. Hang on 1 second there, guys. Give me a second. I actually pushed it the wrong way. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. And guys, another reason I'm happy to have this vacuum is because should I ever need to clean up above the floor, this base detaches, so that's another nice feature about it. Uh-oh. You didn't get the cord stuck in the brush over that way. If they're doing the vacuum outside the door for this thing too, over to the hallway and spout really picks up on the floor in the hallway, so you can pick up a lot of dirt. No issue there. Yeah, 1 second, guys. We're going to put this on the area rug mode so I can get this done. if I can get a longer cord, and I will see if I can do some stair cleaning with this here. I think we'll be better off for a longer cord, I think. Alright guys, I think the brown cord of my bedroom is longer, so let me give me a minute to grab it up. Yeah, this is way longer, guys. This right here is actually longer than the white cord, which I really don't need that long brown cord for. Well, when I charge my phone at nighttime, guys, I think that white cord would probably be appropriate length. So let's switch out cords right fast. Give me 1 minute, guys. Yeah, this cord here is actually better length for this. So you look at that cord right there, guys. That cord's shorter length. Give me a minute here. Ooh. Bend the prongs of my feet. They're stepping on things. But I'm going to compare these by length, like right now. See. I'll tell you, like right now, guys, that this is actually way longer than that cord. So comparison, that's longer. This one is shorter, so we're going to use that for my room. Give me a minute. We're going to use this nice long brown cord, guys. Give me a minute. I know you're seeing a lot of the floor, but that's what happens sometimes. Now I'm going to probably plug this into the kitchen. Because, guys, I've been itching to make a video on this whole thing here to see how this would work. For the very reason, should I want to clean the hall, then the stairs, and the landing? Well, guys, you are all in for a treat. Let me go ahead and plug this into my kitchen outlet right here on the corner from the door. Give me just a brief moment. Because, guys, I do want you guys to see how this works out. You got longer cords, now we're better. Better off than what we were before. Now I can actually reach down a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead here and take this down the stairs. Give me a minute. Let's see how she works down this way. Because, guys, there's a lot of salt down here and all kinds of what you gonna call for dirt. It needs to be clean anyway, so let me take on the task of that. Okay, so here we go.
we're going to go to the next area here. I see a lot of salt and dirt and all that, so I'm getting rid of all that in the machine right now. That's a nice little vacuum. I really like it too. It's cleaning the breeze for me. Even easier than what I had before. We're going to switch the hose now. Make it easier on ourselves and not do it the hard way. We've had power head on that guy. Make it easier. We will do the easier method of cleaning. So it'll be more usable. We're going to switch to the crevice tool right now. Just in here to switch this over. And get the hose out. Might not even need the crevice tool. Let's see.
Oh, here you go, guys. Here you go. Perfect. This will fit the bill just fine.
So you get all this staircase still nicely. And landlord. Get the door in there. Be happy to see it. So, yeah, good job. Yeah, perfect. I want to have it there. You know, have to use the stairs, you know, one real dirty. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and move this up the stairs on our wall. Alright guys, there you go. Let's go up to the, let's slide up there. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video of this thing. I hope it's all up and on when you're watching, but I'm showing you guys what you can really do with the car this way model. There's a number of things you guys can do with the car this way, guys. So I can actually use this quite a bit too. It's really nice. Really efficient, really helpful too. Like I said, guys, I have no complaints on it at all.
me turn this off for a minute. Guys, all I have is positive reviews on this thing. Like, it's absolutely just really nice machine to work with. I really like it. Let me go ahead and get this crevice tool off. The onboard attachments, they stand pretty decently. No real problems to complain about. We're gonna move the cord over so I don't. Oh, excuse me, I knocked over the little air freshener gadget. I'll pick that up in a brief minute. It happens. Let me move this over here, guys. I'm at clean one more time, then I'll go back inside the house and finish cleaning. Here we go, guys. Alright guys, probably get this back in here all the way to the cord. There you go. Cord's right there. There you go. Perfect, guys. And guys, like I said, that's for what it's worth on paper, guys. I think it will be a very good unit to use. You know, like I said, let's go twisting up the carpet roll, guys. Some things I would have wished they would have done with the unit, guys, when they made it. Well, I probably didn't ask how long the cord was, so it's my mistake, but no big deal. Guys, look at this, though. I mean, look at all this dirt that this thing just pulled up off of the hallway. This is from the stairs and the bare floor and everything, guys. Guys, look at all that dirt. Just look at all that. That's pretty freaking good. I mean, and that's from the lower end of when you walk into the door, guys. I mean, it's a lot of dirt and a lot of salt. I mean, how many people would have actually thought that they should have vacuumed their lower half, you know? Well, the doorway, anyways. Probably not too many people, guys. You know, like I said. Guys, look at all this dirt that's coming out of here. Look at all this, guys. Look at all that. See all that dirt? It's an awful lot of dirt. And guys, like I said, you know, it's simply not due to anyone not putting in the effort, probably. It's probably people don't, you know, some people probably don't vacuum that up. It's not a big deal. I'm not mad or upset about it or anything. Guys, like I said, you know, I actually enjoy doing that. It doesn't bother me. It really don't. It actually gives me a chance to use my new vacuum on different surfaces. It gives me a chance to see how good this thing is. And guys, this vacuum is really, really good. I mean, look at the filter. Still clean. Oh, well, I take that back. It's going to need to be washed. The first bit of dust I've seen on it. See, guys, this is here. So one filter here. It's not even that bad. Let's see our lower filter here. A little bit of dust, not bad. Let's see, guys. How's this filter? Just clearing out then. Guys, if I had nails, I could probably grab it better. Huh. Well, guys, still pretty good. I can't complain. I'm pretty impressed, guys. These will get clean coming up here towards February, so yeah, I'll clean them up sooner or later. Right now, they're still pretty good yet, guys. Hey, guys, look at this. Here we go. Here's some of the schematics on her. It says here, odor cartridges. I don't use the odor cartridge, so that's fine. Don't have to worry about all that. But guys, let's see about these fins now. Let's see how these fins are looking down below. Let's take a look at her, huh? Let's give her a look and see how she looks down below. Let's see how hairy she is or how hairy it ain't. Might not be hairy at all, guys. Might even have a look of hair on it. Because, guys, people have been complaining and complaining, and I say, you know what? I have no hair on my shark at all. Look at this, guys. My shark lift away. la702. Not one iota of hair. Not one thing. Nothing, guys. Look at that. I mean, I love this freaking vacuum. It's like the multi-surface. The multi-surface is one of the most freaking powerful vacuums I've ever ran. This right here stands second best to that vacuum. Now, guys, I might get, maybe I might get a Dirt Devil, whatever sort, maybe some cheap vacuum from Amazon and a pair of shoes. Because I say, guys, I do need a pair of shoes. So you look at these, excuse me. If you look at these shoes, I know we're not about to watch media, so don't worry, I'm going to turn that off because I'm not a news person. Look, see, this here is peeling off the back. Let me go ahead and turn off this news. So I'm not a news media junkie, so let me turn that off. Give me 1 minute, guys, here. I don't want to... Hang on one second, guys. Alright, guys, that's done with that. Now... Guys, back to the actual reason of using this unit here. I think there's one more filter that's in here. Let's see. I think there is one more. Down below here, there's gotta be, because here's a grill. I'm guessing this is probably just a decorational for the motor. Odor neutralizer technology. So there's no filter there, but guys, I have to say one thing. I don't know where or how. I know this releases this wine, okay, but the base of the unit, guys, where does this take? You see, I know there's a button somewhere, but I don't know where. Or it might not be that kind of unit now. I don't know. I might be wrong entirely. Guys, I'm still learning about it. Give me a minute to figure it out. I know this here unit has this detaches from the brush roller. It's not what I'm looking to do, though, guys. See, what I'm looking to do is I'm trying to figure out how you take that little piece right there. There's a piece right into the furniture. Let me see if I can get it to go or anything myself here. I guess. There we go. Let's give it a crash one. Perfect, there you go. It got it without a hesitation there, guys. Now, guys, that right there, to me, says a lot about the unit. You know, that says, guys, this is exactly what I've been trying to tell you guys about. This is the next level for a unit, guys. So, guys, I typically charge my phone at nighttime when I sleep. So what I like to do is I'm going to put this cord over here on my power strip. I'm pretty sure I'll get adequate reach and won't be overly, well, the other one's kind of long, but, I don't want too short of a cord because I'm going to be yanking things out of the sockets here. So we're going to use this cord here, guys. This white cord, probably a little bit shorter, but it'll work. Yeah, give me a minute. Give me 1 minute, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the video of the Shark la702. Give me a minute so I can... Let me put the freaking light on here so I can see what I'm doing. I actually had to turn on a better light during broad daylight. Well, it's actually cloudy out, but still. Let's get her plugged in. So guys, what I like to do is when I'm sleeping here, yeah, perfect amount of cord, guys. What I like to do is keep the lamp off to the side. What I like to do is keep something, use something with some weight to it anyways, like this. The glasses spray, guys. It keeps that away from that falling off the nightstand in the middle of the night. So if I move something or unplug something more, it's good. But guys, you guys are going to get to see the multi-surface now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of the Shark la702. And guys, it's far from over. There's more videos of this thing coming. It's not done. It ain't over. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of me vacuuming my front room and the stairs and the landing. Because guys, I enjoyed making it for y'all, for all of you. And thank you again for all 409 of you guys. And guys, as soon as we get some snow on the ground, there'll be some snowblower videos coming real soon there too. Unfortunately for the MTD snowblower, guys, I have to get paddles or probably an auger for it. So that's going to be coming up this upcoming winter, guys. I'm looking to get a new snowblower too. It's called a Built Hard snowblower. It's a new company that just came out on the market, guys, which I'm all for giving it a try. One reason being, it has flat free tires that are solid hard tires, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.